Welcome to Forex Bruno Hub, and in this video I'm going to show you I'm going to analyze the market fundamentally for 5th to 9th May 2025. And as you can see there, for trade on gold or XAUUSD, we need to keep our concern or keep our eyes on USD news. Okay, USD news, because gold is always connected with USD, so we have to keep our concern on USD news. Okay, so let's get started with our US news. And there is two type of news comes on the market. One of them is positive news, another one is negative news. Okay, and if news data come with positive data, like green 0.5%, green 245k, indicates sell for gold or XAUUSD. Okay, and for negative data comes with red 0.5%, red 245k, and indicate buy for gold. And you may ask me, Mr. Boom, why for positive data we will sell gold, why for negative data we will buy gold? Okay, let me explain it. In that case, you have to keep your mind two things. One of them is gold value is always fixed. That means gold value is always constant, and USD value or currency value can be changeable, or currency value is a variable. That means always US value is always fixed. Okay, and currency value is always variable. Okay, variable, you have to keep your concern on these two things. That means variable means it can be up or down currency value. Okay, and as per that theory, we just draw two triangle over here, and as you can see there, one triangle of XAUUSD is equal to 12500, one triangle of 2500 in dollar or USD. Okay, and if news data come with negative 5%, that means minus 5% from here. As you can see there, if we minus 5% from this triangle will be 5% little or 5% smaller than previous one. So in that case, gold is up. That means gold is bigger than USD. So in that case, we will buy gold. Okay, same scenario for positive news. If we add plus 5% on that triangle, there is 5% bigger than previous one. And as you can see there, this triangle is bigger than, that means gold triangle is smaller than USD triangle, and this triangle is same, this triangle is also same. That means gold value is always constant and USD value getting smaller and bigger. In that case, for positive value we will buy gold. Hopefully you understand this thing. If you have any more query about this topic or about that theory, you may ask us on telegram channel, link in the video description, or you may ask our admin on telegram. Okay, so let's check the market data. That means let's check the data on the real market. As you can see there is economic calendar from forexfactory.com, and there is a lot of news in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Okay, you can see there, Monday we have USD ISM service PMI news. If news data come with positive value, we will sell gold. If news data come with negative value, we will buy gold. And for Tuesday we have CAD news, and there is no US news. Market is going to move maybe sideways if there is no geopolitical issues. Okay, I will talk later about geopolitical issue, so you have to keep your eyes till the end of the video. Okay, in Wednesday we have NZD news, same theory, and in Thursday we have 2, 3, 4 USD news. That means this is the very important days for golden traders or XAUUSD traders or USD related pair traders. So you have to keep our concern each and every news, and if news data come with positive, if news data come with negative, you know, for positive value we will sell gold, for negative value we will buy gold. Okay, and Friday we have one time USD news, FOMC member wallet specs, and same theory as I said previously. Okay, and as per I said, the geopolitical issue. Okay, geopolitical issue, so you have to keep your concern on geopolitical issue. You may know that there is currently tariff war running China and United States. That means Trump and China. So if there anything happens like more tariff, or if there a discussion comes on the, or they come in a discussion table, gold may up or down based on the news. So for that kind of information, you have to join our telegram, because that kind of information comes instant. So you have to keep your concern on news site or news website, or you may join our Telegram channel. So there we are posting a lot of news daily. That means major or important news for USD related pair. We are posting on that our Telegram channel. So you may look it up, or you may join our Telegram to get updated news, and you also will get their technical analysis, fundamental and sentimental analysis also. So hopefully all things is clear now. And for geopolitical issue, you must have to keep your concern for the geopolitical issue like Donald Trump and Chinese issue. That means tariff war, and you have to keep your concern on Middle East war. You have to keep your concern on Russia-Ukraine war. Okay, anything can be happen within a second, so you have to keep your concern. If you keep your concern on that issues, so you may take a good margin from the market. So that's for now. Mr. Bin signing out.
Every tick of the clock sends a shiver to my spine.